Do you need to know the right phrases and vocabulary for your presentation, but you find it challenging to find the right words? Are you preparing for a presentation, but you're worried about its structure and not knowing what to say? Do you want to know the tips for success when presenting online? Do you know how to describe numbers, trends, and symbols and equations? Or are you a student, a job seeker, or an entrepreneur wanting to learn how to do a successful elevator pitch using business English? Well, if you answered yes to any of these questions, then this is the course for you, because I will teach you business English for presentations. By the end of this course, you will have learned 200 plus essential phrases and how to structure your presentations in the correct way. Also, maths, vocabulary, and phrases to describe numbers, trends, symbols, and equations. You will have learnt how to do an elevator pitch using business English and essential online presentation tips, and also new and essential vocabulary. I'll teach you using my easy-to-follow method of pictures and words. In this highly rated course of 5-star reviews, you'll enjoy lots of content. Learning is more effective when you are actually doing something, so I've included lots of activities on the course. Learning doesn't have to be boring, it can be fun and engaging. And each part of the course has downloadable PDF resources. To introduce myself, I will be your tutor in the course. My name is Aidan Toomey. I've been lucky enough to help thousands of students with their business English, and I'd love to be able to do the same for you. So, if you're ready to start learning, take the first step. Please click the Enroll button, or if you need more time to decide, then watch the free preview videos, and I hope to see you on the course.